Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. In the last part, we showed our setup for heating the frame and monitoring its temperature. But now that we have that under control, it's time to get cutting. Our welding team used arc gouging rods to cut into the cast steel frame. They followed the path of the crack as they went deeper and deeper, occasionally having to stray to chase splintering cracks off to the sides. All right, we're in between shifts here down under the locomotive, and we're going to take a look at the crack being gouged out. So let's turn the camera around. So right here is where the crack was. We've been arc gouging into the frame. So the frame right now is held at temperature a little north of 250 degrees, so we don't get moisture including into the frame. We've got a little ways to go yet. If I zoom in real close, you can see right there, right in the middle. Right there. That is our crack. That's what we're chasing. Oh boy. The heat of the arc gouging can still cause frame expansion even with the temperature regulation in place. This is why the dial calipers were carefully monitored to ensure that no excess movement or stress was being placed on the frame or the smokebox saddle. As part of the process, a strengthening gusset was welded to the underside of the frame. This was only put in place temporarily, but will become a permanent fixture of the frame once it's finally welded. The gouging process took several full days to complete. Once it was done, edges were ground down using mechanical means. Both grinding discs and die grinding burrs were used to take down all the high spots and create a smooth, weldable surface. We calculated that at 3 inches wide, 6.5 inches deep, and 13 inches tall, the amount of material removed was approximately 260 cubic inches of metal. Of course, every cubic inch of metal that was removed will need to be replaced, but that's getting ahead of ourselves. Tune in next time for welding the frame. The Midwest Railway Preservation Society is pleased to thank Lincoln Electric for their contributions of welding equipment and expertise. With more than 125 years in the business, Lincoln Electric makes some of the finest welding machines in the world. Midwest would like to thank Jay's Over the Top Fab and Design for their contributions to the 4070 restoration. For expert welding and fabrication services, call 330-842-1644. If you liked this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Log on to MidwestRailway.org for information on membership, volunteer opportunities, merchandise, how to visit, and much, much more. We hope to see you down at our roundhouse.